Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes in Australia. The Australian financial year runs from July 1 to June 30. It's important to understand if you need to lodge a tax return or a non-lodgement advice. Generally, if you've earned income, you'll need to lodge. The standard deadline for individuals lodging their own return is October 31, so mark your calendar to avoid any late fees. Preparing your documents early makes tax time much smoother. You'll need your tax file number, a unique 9-digit identifier for all your tax dealings. Gather all income statements from employers and any details of government payments or investment income. Crucially, keep meticulous records of all deductible expenses, like work-related costs or charitable donations. Also, ensure you have your bank account details handy for any refund you might receive. You have several convenient options for lodging your tax return. The most popular is using My Tax Online, accessible through your MyGov account, which is free and often processes refunds within 2 weeks. Alternatively, you can engage a registered tax agent. They offer expert advice and can secure an extended lodgement deadline, sometimes as late as May 15. A paper tax return is also an option, though it typically takes longer to process. Meeting deadlines is vital to avoid penalties. The standard due date for lodging your own tax return is October 31. If you use a registered tax agent, you must engage them by October 31 to be eligible for an extended deadline, which can be as late as May 15. Missing the deadline can result in a penalty of $330 for every 28 days, up to a maximum of $1,650. Always lodge on time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.